Hi and welcome to another Ben Golding super easy classic tune on the acoustic guitar. Okay, had a few requests for this one. We are going to be looking at Train and Hey Soul Sister. Super easy this one. As always, I'm going to give you the chords now and the screenshots will come up. So if you need to practice these chords, if you're not familiar with them already, you might want to pause the video on the screenshot and just make sure you're comfortable with all the chords. But let's get straight on and look at the chords you will need for this one. Okay, we are going to need a C. We are going to need a G. We are going to need an A minor, and we are going to need an F. And that is it. Very straightforward. So like I said, if you want to pause the video, go back over those screenshots and make sure you're comfortable with them. But if you know them already, let's just get straight on with this easy beginner version of the Train classic Hey Soul Sister. Okay, the verse and chorus sections will come up on the screen, but let's go straight on. As always, you know by now, but I'm going to hum the tune, so you'll have to excuse the singing. But let's just get ready with that C chord. And also, just to let you know, this is identical, the chords we're going to play this one for the Train version of this song. But you would need a capo on the 4th fret. You would need a capo on the 4th fret if you were playing along to the Hey Soul Sister by Train, that version. But we're going to do a nice easy open version here, but capo on the 4th fret for the Train version. Okay, so let's get straight on, get your C chord ready. Okay, and let's just try it once through. So we want C, 2, 3, and a G, 2, 3, and a minor. Here goes the C in. Da da da, C and a G, da 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 da, A minor, then to F, and a C, da da, and a G, da 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 da, and A minor and F and G. Verse again. La da da and G, da 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 da, A minor, then to F, and a C, da da. G, do 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 do, A minor, then to F and a G. Chorus. F 2 3 and a G, 2 C and G and F 2 3 4 and G for 2 C G, F 2 3 4 G, 2 C and G and F 2 3 4 and G 2. Back to the verse. C, woo, G, da 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 da, A minor, then to F. Here we go, hum the tune. And a C, 2 3 4 and G, da 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 da, A minor, then to F, da 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 da, C, then a da da G, and then to the A minor, then to an F and a G. Verse again. A la da da and a G, da 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 da, A minor, then to F, da 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 da, C, then da 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 G, and then to the A minor, then to F and a G. Chorus. F 2 3 4 G, 2 C and G and F 2 3 4 and G, 2 C G, F 2 3 4 G, 2 C and G and F 2 3 4 and G 2. Back to the verse. Yeah, C, woo, G, and do 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 do, A minor and an F, and so on. And that is it, just those two sections the whole way through on that song. Bit of a classic one there. And like I said though, you would need a capo on the 4th fret of the guitar with those exact chords, and that would give you the same key as the Train version of that classic tune. All the best, keep trying it, get your vocal cords ready, give it a good sing song on that one, it'll sound great. And I'll see you soon for more easy guitar lessons with Ben Golding Guitar. Thank you and bye.